Think yawning is just about being tired? Not for animals. Some do it to scare, stretch, or even survive. Lions yawn to show dominance. The bigger the yawn, the stronger the message. I run this place. Hamsters yawn and stretch to loosen up their tiny muscles, especially after waking from a nap. Gorillas? Yawning can mean boredom, stress, or even social communication. It's not always about sleep. Cats yawn to stretch their jaw and get a boost of oxygen. Classic feline multitasking. Frogs yawn to realign their jaw after eating, especially when swallowing something huge. Snakes yawn to reset their jaws too, especially after unhinging them to devour prey. Seals? They yawn to cool off, show emotions, or just vibe out on the beach. So next time you see a yawn, remember, it might mean way more than just I'm sleepy.